Yeah.
I hate the word fan.
My first follower. Follower. You say follower?
No, because I don't want to think of them as followers. I want to think of them as friends.
There ain't nothing up here. Friends. I mean, same thing. We have different builds. Our attacks are different builds.
Are they on top of that? On top of there?
I don't know. He kind of fell.
I broke him. I downed him.
I'm going. Oh, good shots.
Copy that.
I got your first teammates on my level in there.
I'm coming, but I'm not there.
Oh. I got him.
Where are these other guys at? I'm gonna get up top.
Oh, nope, they're low. Got him.
Come in.
I downed one.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
He take up. His teammate is, I don't know where.
There's
He's
nobody.
in here with us.
I hear footsteps.
Obviously. He's got to be above, right? Oh, yeah, he is. He's above. Cracked him.
Hostile UAV active.
Enemy soldier incoming.
He went down.
Did he? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm reloading. Oh, behind me. No, that's his teammate. His teammate came back. Watch me.
I am.
Good stuff. Oh, down here's another one. Oh my god, babe, we just gotta stop splitting. There's too many people here.
We've located the rest of them.
I'm coming to you. I'm here.
He's on the outside of me, I think. There's a guy here, David.
Yeah, I know, he just downed
I broke him right here.
Ultra One, all rogue soups have exited.
I rotated in.
I win.
They have loadouts
Where's Loadout?
on him.
Loadout? Oh. I thought you meant something else.
Active near your position. Prep for contact.
Are you back, my man?
Ultra One, we're not seeing any rogue soups.
Oh, this.
I'm getting shot somewhere, I don't know where. I don't know if that was him or not.
Marking the rest of that squad on your attack.
I got the assist on that? No way.
Well, yeah, because I pulled
Oh,
him.
behind me. Oh my god. How many times am I going to get shot in the back in this game, bro?
Yeah, they were waiting for you, my man. I peeked,
I mean,
but
that's the... I don't know how many times I was friggin'...
Good work.
and I was also getting shot from across the water, like at a different spot, so just be careful because you're kind of sandwiched. They're flying on you. They're hit. Oh, well, it wouldn't let me ping.
Soup activity in the area.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Somebody else just landed, going to Lodi, I assume. Definitely landed on Lodi. I'm landing above you.
All Ultra, no soup activity detected at this time.
I got 2 SMGs.
there were quite a bit of people below me.
Yeah, there was a lot of people here a second ago.
Honestly, I don't.
I really need you
I got it
already.
down, but it should be good.
Yeah, just watch me. Oh, or you can hop down here too.
Hey, there's X1. My X13's.
Right here in front of me. Oh, and there's somebody. Oh my god.
We've located the rest of them.
You gotta be kidding me. So I was trying to get the audio set up so I can hear something.
There's guys up top, David. They're gonna shoot you.
What?
There's guys on top of us over here.
with caution. Ultra One,
I hurt one a lot.
Yeah, I heard one son too.
I got a grenade to land up there. I'm surprised. Hey, they have to jump. Don't push it.
Yeah, I'm not.
Hey, this guy's right in front of me.
Those are the guys that was shooting at a second ago. That I wasn't worried about earlier. I was worried about the other guys.
Hey, watch those guys up there.
hostile UAV in this sector.
What I've been doing, I keep doing one thing. Because this place is impossible to maneuver.
Downed him. He was shooting guys in front of us. Come on.
Behind me. On me. Literally, I'm like, you gotta be kidding me.
Ultra One, the FBSA is tracking a rogue soup near your location. You'll need some heavy firepower to take it.
But he came out of nowhere. I don't know.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad.
Hostile UAV overhead.
He's jumping. I'm landing.
Oh, one shot. Oh, well, not one shot, but he's hurt.
Ultra One, all
Yeah.
rogue soups have exited
What, how did he disappear?
Did you get him?
Did he teleport? No.
I think he quit.
I ain't got no ammo either. He disappeared, bro.
I think he quit.
I do not want this sniper. They have to be in the water. Nope, they're on top of the building. Top of the building across. I think. I was looking down and I got shot from above.
I hear.
10 remain.
Oh, right here. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? We might play multiplayer, bro.
Hey, whatever you want to play, man.
We might just try. Tagged him. He's one shot down there.
I'm gonna try and get a UAV real quick.
On my right. Right here. He's one shot.
Oh, I'm coming, David. I'm
They're both on
coming.
me. They're in the water, so I can't see them.
I got one. Oh, I got shot up. I'm back.
Bro, this is annoying. I should have had two. Should have been two.
Hey, David, I have like 18 UAVs over here.
I ain't got no armor.
Come to me. Come to me.
UAV is being
Got gas moving in.
This kid's gonna wait for me to go up this ladder, bro. He's still. I think I've just seen somebody run over there. I don't know. I'm not wasting my ammo on that. I can't see it. I'm top.
To the top 5. Good work.
I can't see him there.
You're far from the safe zone. Advise you stop.
Ah, David, he's one shot. Come get me. Come get me.
I got him, got him,
Come
got
get
him.
me.
I'm coming. Shut up, I'm coming.
No, I'm not. I don't have
Yeah,
it.
let's say we gotta move. I gotta reload.
I broke one.
I got 8 bullets. Are they above? Oh, yep, they're above.
Come on.
I'm sandwiched. I can't move. I'm stuck. I need you to shoot. One jump.
One shot. Come
I
on.
downed one.
UAV is being
Come on.
RTV at this time.
All right, I'm gonna make a play. That's what I have to do.
I'm not going that way.
I think one of
I
them's
heard him
coughing.
Okay, I'm going with you. I'm coughing. Where are they?
I don't even see him.
I'm finna die.
I broke one.
I'm down. Oh, I have a cell. Nice.
I got us the win. Yeah, we still have yet to play DMZ at all.
Saber 1.
Yeah, no.
Down the objectives and keep them secure.
Hold up, I'm still building my class out because I didn't have it. Built it up early.
It's so weird seeing Homelander.
Yeah, I wanna get the Homelander bundle.
Have you even watched The Boys?
All of it. What do you mean? I'm the one who told you to watch it. I was like, bro, you need to watch this.
Standing by.
Actually, I want to snipe.
Copy. UAV
But yeah, I'm waiting for the next season. I'm still lagging. I think I'm on the lagging work. I can't really tell. It's so much faster.
Alpha. Secure Bravo. Control Bravo. Charlie secure.
So I had to let them make it.
Area marked. You're cleared hot. Copy. Changing max.
Oh, they're spawning on C, man.
Taking the lead.
Oh, I almost had my advanced UAV.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Objective Alpha secure. On station. Enemies taking Alpha. The lead is ours. Switching back.
That did not work out.
You're right.
We're losing Bravo.
Are we losing Bravo?
UAV online.
I'm about to have all my score streaks.
Our UAV is all
Yeah, these guys
Oh my God,
suck.
I'm pretty-
secure.
I'm sniping. Oh, I missed. Dang.
We're taking Charlie. Friendly SAE on the way. Enemy securing Bravo.
Yeah, did you get that guy?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I flashed him.
I stunned him, but he had the thing. Battle hard or whatever.
I feel like they're gonna be spawning back over here. Dude, I'm getting some lag too. I'm getting some packet burst.
Our counter UAV is active.
You know?
Yeah.
Objective Alpha is compromised. Get it back.
Rude.
Oh, you little rat.
Securing Charlie.
Do that.
Bravo. It's online. Securing objective Alpha.
Which side are they spawning on?
Charlie secure.
I'm gonna guess Charlie.
Enemy securing Bravo. Enemy securing Charlie.
I just died at B.
Friendly cruise missile deployed. We
I spawned A.
secure friendly UAV online. The enemy took Bravo. UAV ready for tasking.
Jesus.
Oh crap, they're coming for me.
Copy. UAV is a friendly gunship.
Gunship?
They got a gunship?
No, we do.
Oh.
But where the heck and how the heck?
Enemy taken out.
And why?
Yeah.
Take away
I don't
so
know
many
how
kills.
either.
Securing objective Bravo.
Oh,
Behind
David,
you.
I'm so glad I did not wait for you.
Enemy controls 2 objectives. Target area Get after him. You're cleared hot.
I'm just kidding.
Longbow 3-1 on Bravo secure.
No, of course he will be.
We're taking Charlie.
These guys are getting their cheeks clapped.
Securing Charlie.
Yeah.
We're losing Bravo. We hold all
Yep, which
objectives.
means they're about to... Why are we triple capping now? Y'all don't know how to play COD.
It's online.
You dominate, and then... Wow, you win.
Charlie.
Bro, I can't freaking find nobody.
I just killed them
Oh
all.
my god. I haven't got to kill him forever. Oh my god, bro. I'm running around the map.
Here you go, David. Advanced UAV. Hey, this is the
Yeah,
lobby to
man,
get a
yeah,
nuke
what are you
in.
talking about?
Target.
This is the lobby to get a nuke in, man.
Lost Alpha.
Do you think so?
I think I'm on a pretty good streak.
You're halfway to mission.
Bro, I don't understand how you ran your your hotspot just like worked so perfectly for you. Because it does not for me.
We're taking Alpha. Enemy taking Bravo. Reloading.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I died off my streak to a proximity mine. To Danny Punani.
Bingo fuel. RTB at this time.
There's a guy over that wall, my friend.
Yeah, there's a couple guys there.
Securing Bravo. Friendly bomb drone deployed. We've lost Bravo. Drop them! Changing mags! Friendly UAV on station. We're taking Bravo. Throwing grenade! Taking effective fire.
Well, I missed all my shots there.
Secure Bravo.
You know what?
We're losing
I'm gonna put. Oh, well, I'm not.
Bro.
Covering your six. Our UAV is orbiting the area. The enemy holds 2 objectives. Secure Bravo. Objective Bravo secure.
Oh my god.
Enemy taking Charlie. We're losing Bravo. Neutralized. You're clear. Objective Charlie is compromised. Get it back. Objective Charlie. Reloading. On your 6. Securing Alpha.
Come on.
Securing Charlie. Friendly UAV
Oh, oh
online.
my god, bro.
They're B. They're on B.
Objective Bravo is compromised. Get UAV ready to deploy. One more requesting recon this time.
Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO.
We're taking Bravo.
Oh my god, no way I got that.
Where did I just die from?
Be advised, UAV
Securing
I
Charlie.
didn't even know you could do it.
Control 2 objectives. Get after him. We control Alpha. Control standing by. Target down.
Oh, thank you, David.
Secure Bravo.
There's another.
Cleared hot. We're losing Charlie.
Noted.
Ammo here.
He's down the far away, he's down the field.
Enemy down. We're taking Bravo. Reloading.
Stupid. Oh, that didn't.
UAV
What?
overhead.
Oh my god, I lagged. And I lagged, David, and he glitched up top, bro. And then I died.
Securing objective Charlie. All objectives secure. All objectives in Alpha. Our UAV is orbiting the area. Frag out!
I didn't even see.
Friendly counter UAV is on station. Enemy
Oh.
taking Bravo.
That's nice, I died.
Taking Charlie. Hostile UAV in the area. Throwing grenade!
Literally. Oh my god, this look is so bad, bro.
We're taking Charlie.
I accidentally picked up a gun, but it's just rocking right now.
UAV online.
You what?
Nice. Oh, well, there's another gun. I just keep accidentally picking up guns because I have my Warzone settings of interact to tap to interact with them.
Enemy securing Alpha. Enemy securing Bravo. Friendly chopper gunner on station. We're losing Charlie.
Look at the chopper gunner.
Mm-hmm.
51 kills, not bad.
Solid work.
I'm gonna go ahead.
Hey, yo, could I join your clan, bro? Could you guys teach me how to play like that?
What's this guy talking
No,
about?
you don't have enough skill to be in our clan.
Yeah, I wasn't even asking.